Have you ever felt empty-headed when it came to writing? It is actually a frustrating feeling. You know you have to write, but you can't seem to formulate words. Prewriting helps. Brainstorming is a type of prewriting that helps find those ideas and develop them. So, how do I brainstorm? There are several different ways to get ideas. One brainstorming technique is writing, just journaling down ideas, dreams, phrases, whatever comes to your mind. When you are journaling, you don't have to worry about grammar, sentence structure, or spelling. It is just a way to get down your thoughts and ideas onto paper. Listing is another idea that helps people get down their ideas. You can also use the 5 W's and 1 H: who, what, when, where, why, and how to get ideas. One of my favorite ways to brainstorm is called a bubble map. Sometimes it is called clustering or webbing. You start off with a circle in the middle and branch off with more circles to jot down ideas. Any of these methods can help you start organizing your thoughts and the notes you write on paper. It is important to get organized or you will be unsure of what to write and when to write it. Pre-writing and organizing are essential to becoming a successful writer.